Hi friends, so let's solve exercise 5D of Aggarwal class 8. So this is objective type questions. This exercise is totally based on objective type. It means MCQ question. Okay, so question number first is here. We have to just it is tick the correct answer. Okay, so if 5xy is exactly divisible by 3, then the least value of x. So we have to find. So it means what this question wants to say. So 5xy is exactly divisible by 3. So divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So 6, 5, 11. Here you can see. Okay, let me zoom in out. Okay, so here you can see 6, 5, 11. Okay, so here 6, 5 and 6 you will get 11. Okay, so 11 plus x, what you will 11 plus x, so what will you add to get the number we divisible by 3? So we have to find the least value. So 11, 1, 12. So also will be option number B, because 12 is divisible by 3. So the answer first is will be B. If you solve all the exercise, all the questions of 5B wisely, then this exercise is nothing for you. Let's move to next question. This is question number 2. If 64y8 is exactly divisible by 3, then the least value. Take care here, it's asking about least value. So, divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits. So, 6, 4, 10 and 10 and 8, 18. So, 18 we are getting, and 18 is totally divisible by 3. So, we don't require anyone. Then the answer will be 0, because here it's asking about least value. Then least value will be 0. So, what will the answer? Answer will be first, because it is totally divisible. Then why we required? And here it is also asking about least. Then we don't require any extra values. So, answer will be option number A, that is 0. Now, question number 3 is if 7x8 is exactly divisible by 9, then the least value of x. We have to find the least value of x. So 8, 7, 15. So we are getting 15. The divisibility rule of 9 is same as 3. Okay, it means sum of the digit is must be divisible by 9, then it will be said, then that number will be divisible by 9. Okay, so 8, 5, 8, 7, 15, and 15 we are lagging with how much of number? We are lagging with how many numbers? 3 numbers. So if we add 3 in this minimum numbers, we have to find. So for 15 plus 3, we will get 18. Okay, and 18 is divisible by 9. So answer will be option number C, that is 3. Now question number 4 is it is same as this. Okay, we have to find a least value. So 7 and 3 10 and 10 and 4 14. It means 14y we are having. Okay, so 14y, it means what we will add? 14 plus y. Okay, so here we will add 4 to it. Okay, then it will be become 18, and 18 is the nearest one, and 18 is divisible by 9. So answer will be option number D, that is 4. Now next is if 4xy 4xy 7 is exactly divisible by 3, then the value of xy, we have to find the value of x plus y. Okay, so we have to find 3, the least value it is talking about. So 7 and 4 we get 11, and 11 and we are just lagging with 1, because here is asking me least value, then we are just lagging with 1. So if I put 1 here in the place of x, you can see here in the place of x if I put 1, and in the place of x, y if I put 0, or you can also say in the place of x I may x is equal to I may put 1 or 0, or in y you can say that y is equal to 0 or 1. Okay, so if I put, then it will be 7, 3, 7, 4, 11, 11, 1, 12, because 0 is not considered. So 12. So 12 is our answer. And what is actually? If I take any one value, so if I take first one, so 1 plus 0, it means x plus y. So it will be 1. So answer will be our option number what? It will be option number A. That is 1. Okay. Let's move to question number 6. If x7 y5. Okay, let me change the color of this slide. Okay, it will be blue. Then blue is okay. Okay, so if x7 y5, here you concentrate. So sorry for disturbance. If 4x y7, we have just discussed it. Now question number 6. Okay, so x7 y5, it means it's exactly divisible by 3. Then we have to find the least value of x plus y. So 7 5 we are getting, 7 plus 5 we are getting 12. Okay, then you might say that this 12 is exactly divisible by 3. Then we have to take the least value will be 0. No, the answer will be wrong, because here it's also asking about, here you can see that x plus y. So what will you, and this number, if you add 1, okay, so if you take 1 here, if you take a 0, okay, so if you take 0 over here, then you have to also take 0 over here. Okay, according to this value, then it will be not suitable, because 0 and 0, and when we will place any number, when we place 0 before any number, then its value, then it decreases. It means this is a 3-digit number, but it is talking about 4-digit number. We can't decrease the number. Okay, so what we have to do is just we have to add 1. Now you might be asking that how 1 is possible. So see, if I if I take x is equal to 1, here is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0, then 1, then when I will add it, then I will get 1. So then it's also said by 12, and 12 plus 1. 1 is 13, but the 13 is not our answer, because 13 is not divisible by 3. Then which number is divisible by 3? So 15 is divisible by 3. Then what we have to do? We have to just add, in 12 we have to add 3. So 3 is the least number. So option number, this is D. Okay, D is over here. Option number D is correct. Now let's move to next. Question number 8 is 1a to b5 is exactly divisible by 9. Okay, so question number 7 is also here. So for x 4y 5z is exactly divisible by 9. Then the least value of xyz. Okay, so it's so easy. 5 4 9, 9 we are having, and we have to also add here 9. So anyhow we have to add 9, because 9 is the, and if I add here 0, then 0 will be not considered, and the nearest is the upcoming is 18. Okay, so 18 is divisible by 9. So we have to add what what we will add, that we will get, so 18 and 18, so it will be 9. So 9 is the correct answer, which is option number C. You can also say that you can take the value of anyone. So it's just for confusing you, just for making you besides the topic. Okay, so don't take it in, and just focus on this. Okay, if you learn this deeply, then this whole question is nothing for you. Question number 8 is, if this. Okay, I will not read the questions, because it's too you can say now uniqueness type of questions. Okay, number. So divisible by 9, then the least value we have to find least value. Okay, in every and each question we have to find least value. You might, in competitive exams or in most of the exams, you may say that find the greatest value. Okay, greatest value. Then you can also solve that type of questions if your concept is clear. Now, so here divisibility of 9 is same, I have also told. So let's first of all find it. Zooming out, 2 and 3. Here you can see 1 and here 2. So 2 1 3 and 3 and 5 3 8. It means we are getting 8. And if I add 1, then we will get the nearest one, that is 9. So 1. And now you might be asking that 1 we add here, then we can add 1 and 0. A as 1 and 0 as B. Okay, so when we will add 1 plus 0, then we will get 1. That is option number B. So option number B is correct answer. So the value of A plus B will be 1. Now let's move to question number 9. If 4-digit number, this is 14, exactly divisible by 9, the least value of x plus 1. This is as easy. Okay, so 7 to we are getting 9. Okay, but if it is a four digit number, it is also saying. And if I add 0, I have already explained you in the back of questions. Okay, so if I add 0, then 0 will be, it will be three digit number, so we have to not consider 3, we have to make it 4 digit and remain it same without changing its meaning. Just we have to change its structure. Okay, as you learned in grammar, but this is not grammar. So 7 to we are getting 9, and the upcoming value, you just have to find upcoming value is 18, which is divisible by 9. So what will you add in this? So you will get 18, so you will add 9. Okay, so 9 is the correct answer. By this we solve exercise 5b. Bye bye.